You were the one for me. I'm the type of nigga to brag, my lady got it all. Hey, yeah, she poppin' but never poppin' off. I'm not the type of nigga to brag, little baby got it all, yeah. Am I wrong? I just wanna show you off. Hey, only right up top at the top is off. So tell whoever trippin', you the type that made me boss.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jolie Marie, and I'm back with another video. You already know. Y'all see what it's giving? It's giving very much layers, curls, bounce, and everything, honey. Okay, now let me stop. But if y'all want to see how I got this beautiful look, continue watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Oh, and if y'all wondering where I got this hair from, I got this hair from Ari B Beauty. She had a wig sale, I guess. I don't know if she purchased it or they sent it to her, but she got it from Uni's Hair. So shout out to them. This hair is pretty good overall, but I'm getting a lot of like shedding more than, you know, usual. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm coming back on here because I slayed it way better. I want to add some concealer, but as y'all can see, my hair wasn't flat like it was supposed to. I got a clip in back here because I want the hair on my face. But let me show y'all how it looks without the clip in. I took the curls out. I let it hang, you know, cute. Yeah, as y'all can see, it's flat. It's giving really much flat. It wasn't looking flat in the video, and I didn't see it until I started editing the video. So I'm like, let me add this clip in so y'all could see how I really, you know, would go outside. Not like that, but like this, okay? So it's flat. Baby's hairs is, ooh, this one is coming out. Some hairs came out of this one, but so yeah. So as y'all can see, I just ripped that. Well, I ain't even show y'all me ripping that wig off, but I ain't even used the alcohol method, y'all. I just took that thing right off, and that's exactly what I'm about to do with that wig cap. I honestly like taking the wig off without the alcohol. If it's easy, if it's not, I'll do the alcohol, but to me, if it's soothing. Yeah, but right now I am just taking off the thick pieces of glue on the lace, and then I'm going to just use conditioner to wash the hair and all of that. So yeah.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But there's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting tripping. I heard about the girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day, hey, as you can see. But I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler.
Now I'm just brushing the hair with the conditioner from the tips to the roots. That's how you're supposed to comb all your wigs, guys, from the tips to the roots, so you're not pulling all the hair out. But I'm just doing that while the conditioner is in, so it's easier and it can marinate in that hair. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
Okay.
Now in this clip, I was just putting y'all on game these two wig caps you get from Walmart. They're big, thin, and two of them for 50 cents, y'all, from Walmart. Okay, get you them. Now I'm simply just adding alcohol to a washcloth and taking off the excess glue on my edges of my hair. Yes, my braids are a month old, a month and a half, I want to say. I usually like to keep my braids in longer than, you know, the regular human being, because I feel like my hair will grow more. So, you know, I'll just keep my braids in and do my wigs over and over for the max of like 2.5 months. And now here I'm just spraying that Carol's Daughter oil. I love that oil. I put it in my scalp. I'm just re-greasing my scalp, basically oiling it up, because I have bad dry scalp. So I just like to, you know, add some oils to my hair before I put my wig on.
In the darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hate the cold.
Now here I'm just going to be spraying some Got2b spray on my edges and then comb them back, so when I put my wig cap on, there's no extra hairs coming out the wig cap, basically, when I cut it.
Find yourself knowing lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. 'Cause the thing we're searching for is just waiting back home. And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your coffee.
Now I'm simply just adding the Ghost Bond glue. I'm not using a Got2b glue, and I'm just putting it around my edges so I can lay the wig cap to my edge. I kind of find this method a little better than actually adding the Got2b glue. So yeah, I feel like it makes it more, you know, seamless or whatever. I don't know the right word, but it's giving way better than the Got2b glue.
Let's go.
anything like love, can it?
No, it mustn't be. It can't.
Would it be inconvenient?
Terribly. Anyway, I know it isn't. Oh my, we're out of our minds.
Right into our hearts.
Music.
It does, doesn't it? Tracy, you're so...
It's like steps are melting away. What is it, if I got feet of clay or something? It's not under the pool, it's just over the lawn and in the village grove. It'll be lovely now.
Tracy, you're tremendous.
Put me in your pocket.
Sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for your soul. Grabbing for what you can hold.
So here I'm just adding makeup to my wig cap so it can blend better with the wig. And as y'all can see right now, I'm about to cut inside the wig cap so I can just pull the bottom part over my head. Y'all see exactly what I'm talking about. That's how I like to because you know, like the back of your hair comes out, so I feel like this holds, you know, everything all in the cap instead of it, you know, be hanging, the braids hanging out the back. You get what I'm saying? It looks like it makes sense. So yeah. Now I had my wig drying. I had to come back because baby boy was crying, my son. So I had to come back like 3 times, but my wig is almost dry basically. I'm gonna just take the blow dryer and blow dry it more. Right now all I'm doing is cutting like little pieces of excess of the lace off, and then I'm gonna just blow dry it. Right now, all I'm going to be doing is adding my wax stick to my edges of the wig so it can bring all the hairs back so none get in my way when I'm about to glue it down. Then I'm going to comb it. And then I'm going to add 2 layers of glue and then lay that sucker down, y'all. I'm not really good with this voiceover, so I'm trying my best to come in and out as much as I can. The video is self-explanatory. I'm just explaining just in case, you know, give y'all a little more input. But as y'all can see, I am adding the glue. I think I added another layer. I'm not sure, but I already added 2 layers. So the glue was it's still a little tacky there, but I added more. Because, you know, you got to make sure that glue is tacky so that frontal can lay and stick, basically. Now it's time to part that hair. Then I'm going to be using my hot comb to lay that down as much as possible. As you can see in the beginning of the video, I thought I laid it down as much as I could, but when I watched the video and as I'm editing it, I'm realizing that I did not do such a good job. I don't know if I was tired last night or whatever, but baby, I need to do a better job. But basically, this is probably going to be the end of me voice overing because everything else is literally self-explanatory. As you can see, I'm taking my edges. I'm about to lay my edges down, get them nice, and you know what I'm saying. But everything else is self-explanatory. So yeah, guys, I'm about to stop coming in. I don't really like doing this voiceover. It's a lot of work, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed hearing my annoying ass voice. I'll see you guys, or I'll speak to you guys in the next video. you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel if y'all want to see more videos of me doing hair, daily vlogs. I'm gonna be doing mommy stuff. I'm bringing everything to this channel, okay? Everything. I'm gonna bring everything, you know. It is, if you guys have any ideas, please comment them down below as well, because I'll be, you know, reaching out. Well, I'll be looking forward to you guys' comments on what you guys would want me to upload. So just let me know what you guys are interested in and whatever, what type of videos y'all want me to do, and I will bring it to you. Period, Pooh. Peace. Peace. Peace, Pooh. Good night.